is our carpentry. We are vertical in the sense that we receive the raw material in sheets like those ones, and we transform that into a product. The colleague is machining a front panel for a square tile or an omega wood, which is this. This is the raw stage. These are the parts that go below the front panel of the omega woods. They then apply the front, goes into the curving machine and ends up like this. Another part that he is currently doing, the big frames. This is the components to make the big frames. So vertical, we receive sheets of material, we transform that into a product. First stage of a multi-fusser wood 36. The colleague is now cutting the small bricks. He is now cutting the small bricks, which are then the base to make the multi-fusser wood. This is the solid wood for the multi-fusser wood, so it's very heavy, very dense, so it's the correct material to do the correct product. This is the multi-fusser wood before it's veneered. As we've seen before, the small bricks are cut on those machines. They end up like that, and from that they are then assembled onto the base, and they end up like this. Here we are making the super bass extremes. This is, well, the second stage, because the first stage was the assembling of the different sheets of material. The foam inside is now covering all of the gaps, all of the tiny holes, to make it airproof as much as possible for it to work properly. This green stuff is the Vicoustic, which is a recycled foam. Well, in this case it's a two-layer foam, which is the foam that goes inside the super bass extreme. For instance, this is to do the first stage of a berry base. This is the mold for the berry base as well. This is the bucket for the berry base. Of course, it's going to be sanded, sawed, it's going to be finished. This goes into the machine like this, and it comes out like this. So here is our finishing department. Here is where we finish our products. They come on a raw stage. For instance, this is a wave wood. This is going to be lacquered in white. So here is where we apply the primer. This is a polyester primer, which gives body to the piece to prevent it from getting damaged. This is one of the most important parts on the painting process. This is the primed product. From this, it ended up like this. Now it's going to dry a bit. After getting dry, it's going to be sanded and then painted. So here they sand the products to make the surface very clean and very smooth. And from here, we then go to the painting stage. Here, My colleague is now applying veneer to a multi-fusor wood. This is the last stage of the product prior to be packed and shipped.